Welcome back. So for this dyno, I did one modification. I installed a 39mm carb. Before it was a 30mm carb, with I got quite good results. And for this, I had to modify the intake manifold, and I took one from Mark Rocha's developments that has to fit in some modifications. On that you can see in the other video, but anyhow, let's see how a 39mm carb on a TSR Evo exhaust that is very low revving is working, and if it brings anything. So stay tuned, I will be back with the started engine soon. See, there's the opening window. Oops, so. So that is quite interesting. So compared to the 30mm carb and the new intake, we are almost on the same level. So finally it means if you're not making further modification, then the money for a new intake and 39mm is not necessary. But further dynos will come with other exhausts. Let's see how is the effect there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like it, and we will see you soon. Bye.